To the art of color art. If you'd like to get into the drawing to win a $400 shopping spree, you will have to write the words down when you see them. Make a note. Everything else you need will be in the description. Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a wet canvas. It is a 10 by 20 inch canvas. It is covered in Meeden black paint, and I am not entirely sure where this is going to go. There's always swipes as an option. I want some Amsterdam black as a pillow and Amsterdam white as a contrast, because my intention is to lay some colors down. It's been a while since I used this. I'm intending on tipping, but I don't know how this is going to go. And the whole idea behind this is I liked how my colors looked the other day when I put them down. Stop dripping. When I tip them. And I don't know that I've ever tried what I'm about to try. I may have. I forget things. I should just be dribbling. I think it'd be better if I dribbled. Now that I have. I have some colors I've seen on one of my scrape plates, scrape dishes, that have been inspiring me. Let's see if I can find it. I don't know if it'll mean anything. It's a couple of yellows and some orange and a little touch of green and some purple. Doesn't sound good. Anyway, so I've decided to use the new Tickled Pink Purely Pigment. I saw that cat hair flying. Anyway, so I'm just going to go for it, figuring everything has bloom potential. We'll see how things dry. I'm going to use some red violet. Just going where I feel like I said, if this doesn't work, and it may not, I'm always open to swiping. This is Dancing Fuchsia. This definitely dries better on top of white. I think I could use some more pouring medium. I think I mixed an extra strong batch. I'm going to add some Whispering Wisteria. Am I? I am, if I can get the clog out of the top. It's not much of a clog, but it's still the clog. I'm always happy when they don't go directly down into the bottle. The red violet and the Whispering Wisteria are pretty close cousins. I am thinking definitely some gold. I'm going to use my Decor Americana 24 karat gold. I might add some Chantilly lace, but I'm not sure where that's going to happen. I have a weird tool around here somewhere. It's a silicone, a clear silicone covered makeup applicator attached to a straw with a chopstick down the middle. And if I see it, we can use it. But I'm not seeing it right off. And I was just... There it is! Cool. See? Chopstick, big bendy straw, makeup applicator. Anyway, so back to it. I was going to use Cyan Aqua, but I think I'm going to use Mystique if I can find it. Mystique, I got it. The cell activator I'm thinking about using is also turquoise, but I have others. This is not a sour lemon. This is what? This is hard to remember. This is yellow with a little orange in it. for lack of a better description. It's custom color. And I don't know why I never thought gold and yellow would be great together, but I do like them. Now we're going to give it the orange, assuming that some of it is headed toward the opening. I'm really close to being out entirely. I want some red, and I'm thinking either Rhapsody Rose or Cupid's Crush. But I might want to tip first. And I could also use a little saffron. That might brighten it up a little. Right, there it is. I like my colors. They're sort of Halloween with turquoise. I could also drag something through here, like a wrecking mechanism, because I haven't, and I'd kind of like to. I don't know how tipping is going to go. I think I'm going to do it. I like what I've got, but it's not wide enough to fill the canvas. I've got copper cell activator, which might be, it's a Pebeo. Feels pretty thin though. They lose viscosity so fast, it's ridiculous. Like a day or two. This might be a week. I might also want some black and or some white. Black is here. Oh, and I left my tip open. So let's try the copper first. Just okay, I'm going to have something to wipe off. I forgot to dampen my sponge. It's still damp from yesterday, but it's not damp enough. I should have kept, I do have a paper towel handy. So that's beautiful. Let's not even worry about the black for now. Let's just keep going. See how much of the cell activator I can actually use. Make it go all the way to the edge. I want to dip it without cleaning it off and see how it works. I'm glad I used the white in the background. I might still tip. I was afraid I might make mud, and I'm still not sure I won't, but at least my cell activator is sort of mud colored, and I can always come back again. And use my smaller acetate tools. Let's try that right now. Where are they all heading? I had them all out here. I don't like it when I hide things on myself. This is kind of big. Not really what I had in mind. But it looks like it's going to work anyway. And I like it because I can usually drag new marks out. With the edge. Pretty cool. That one I want to pull around. Because I think the pink will probably stay. I need to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and take my paint off of my little tool. Put it right down over the edge right now. Also helps clean the tool off. Alright, I'm liking all of that, so I'm going to keep right on going. I kind of want to twiddle. What do I want to do? I should be more prepared. I'm so sorry. There's the tool I'm looking for, or one of them. Add a spiral in there. I saw something in the painting. I wish I'd kept my eye on it. There it is. I got it. Yay. Alright, so grab that Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Attempt to squeegee off my colors. I guess I gotta go for it. I don't really know how comfortable I am doing that. Another lump. Come on, out you go. That's kind of cool. I wonder if I'm done. I love this in here, but I also want to steal the colors. Where can I go? That's fairly organic. I'm loving the cells. I'm wishing I had a smaller tool still. I found them! They're all in the cup drying. I don't know if this is a good one to work, but at least it's smaller than the one I had. Where was I going to go with this? Now that's important information I need. That's so cool. Just dip the edge in and drag it around. Now, I do use GAC 800 by Gold in all of my paint mixtures, which means if I leave areas heavy, I'm usually fortunate that I don't have cracking. I'm tempted by every little puddle I see. Now I am going to torch this to release any bubbles caught in the paint, and if I see anything in here that I need to go away, I'll take care of it. But otherwise, I could probably put a few dots in, because I like dots. So if it looks a little different the next time you see it, that's what happened. Thank you for joining me. Please share a thumbs up and subscribe. Choose all when you click the bell if you're going to help me out. If you're interested in a certain method, I have a wide assortment of playlists sharing different methods. Please watch as much of my video as possible to positively affect the algorithm. easpbgallery@gmail.com is my email address to inquire about a private class or the purchase of artwork. Please feel free to ask questions. They're always welcome. My channel survives with the assistance of channel memberships and PayPal donations, and I want to send a huge thank you out to all my supporters.